Here's another myth about personal injury claims. Hey, I'm attorney Will Alexander, an injury attorney right here in the CSRA. Filing a personal injury claim or a settlement from a personal injury claim will make me set for life. We'll call this our blank check example. And we've talked about this before in some myths prior, and that's that filing a personal injury claim or getting a settlement from a personal injury claim is going to be a windfall. You're going to be set for life, or it's like a blank check that you just fill out. That's just not the reality. There are cases that are big cases, and that has to do with the injuries, the severe injuries that an individual has. But really, your typical personal injury claim isn't going to set you up for life, or it's not a blank check. It's not a jackpot. I tell a lot of people, I think, in every meeting that I have that, look, I'm not retiring off this case, neither are you, right? It's just not the reality. And so, although there are these advertisements out there maybe that say, hey, we got this for our client or that for our client, the reality is that a personal injury claim has to do with the severity of injuries. It makes sense. And so the typical personal injury case isn't going to be one where it's a blank check, where you're going to be set for life or anything like that. Really, a personal injury attorney's job is to make sure that you're treated fairly and that you get the proper value for your case. If you've lost wages, if you have a lot of medical bills, and make sure you can get back on your feet and back on track. So it's not a blank check, it's not a jackpot or anything like that. That's just not the reality of it. It's you getting treated fairly by the insurance company, making sure you can get back to where you were before the injury. And that's really our goal, and the goal of every one of our cases that we handle is to make sure people get back on their feet where they were before their injury.
Brought to you by the Law Office of William Alexander, fighting for justice, protecting your rights.